Welcome. We're going to continue to refining the 250 grams of gold filled eyeglass pieces. In part one, we processed these and recovered our dirty gold powder. We'll now clear it up to see the gold it contains. First, for the ease of working, we're going to transfer everything into a smaller beaker. Next, I'm going to rinse with distilled water, followed by a boil in hydrochloric acid. Throughout, I'll be pouring all the waste into my temporary stock pot. So any little small amounts of gold powder that come over, we can recover at a later time. For our hydrochloric acid boil, I'm going to use 100 milliliters of hydrochloric acid, put it on the heat, cover it, and let it boil for about 10 minutes. Our hydrochloric acid boil is complete. I've let the gold settle. I'm going to decant the liquid into our temporary stock pot, and we'll do several washes with boiling distilled water before we move on to our refining and find out just how much gold we have. For refining, we have put our gold powder in hydrochloric acid. We'll add a small amount of nitric acid, which will form Aqua Regia, and dissolve our gold as the first step of obtaining high purity. In theory, this 1/10 12K gold fill material could yield 5% gold by weight. I'm expecting significantly less than that, but stay tuned and we'll see what we get. All the gold has gone into solution. I've diluted it twice the volume to drop any silver chloride that might have come across to this point. I'll now filter it until it's crystal clear. So filtering is complete. All of our junk is in the funnel. Our solution is looking great. Look at that crystal clear solution, beautiful yellow-orange color. Going to transfer it to a beaker here and get ready to precipitate out the pure gold. For our precipitation, we're going to use sodium metabisulfite, or SMB. This is a stump out from Home Depot. Add a little. Reaction there is burning off some excess nitric. You see those little fumes coming off. Also see the color change as gold precipitates. I think we're good to go. So we'll do a quick stannous chloride test to confirm we have all of our gold out of solution. We have no color change, indicating all the gold is precipitated out. I'm going to go ahead and put the gold up onto heat to speed up settling. All of our gold has settled now to the bottom of the beaker. I'm going to go ahead and decant off the barren solution. Then we'll rinse with boiling distilled water a couple of times before proceeding with another hydrochloric acid boil. So our hydrochloric acid boil is completed. I'm going to go ahead and decant this off and wash it several times with boiling distilled water. The powder in here is looking fantastic. Once washes are complete, we'll go ahead and get this dried so we can get it melted up and figure out just exactly how much pure gold we got. Here's our gold powder getting the milk dish here. It's looking really good. We'll get ourselves a button and see just what our yield is. So our gold's melted into a nice little button. We're going to add a little borax on it to get rid of some impurities. So we'll roll our button out here and quench it. Oh, that's a pretty looking button. Look at that as it cools down, super shiny, has a nice little pipe on it indicating very high purity. It looks really good. So here's our button. Let's see how we get a weight on it. Looks like 6 grams even. That's about 2.5% yield from 250 grams of starting material. I'm happy with it. All right, well, that wraps up our video of the gold filled eyeglass material. As always, please like and subscribe. I hope you enjoyed the video. Comments and suggestions are always welcome. Thanks for watching.